Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have started our classes. Just these days, I wish to interact with you, to see you, your abilities of understanding, and a 10th pass student or a 10th standard student should know the secrets of understanding the subject to understand in a classroom. Nowadays, we are not in the classroom. Even though you are enjoying this with the help of your mobile phone or your computer-based programs, with something. But directly in front of a teacher, how you feel, you have to feel the same when you are sitting in your home, in front of your mobile or computer or your TV. You have to get all the senses involved to listen the class, to understand the class. Otherwise, if some 100 students are watching or 200 students are watching, how many accurately following with attention each and every sentence delivered from the source? That is, source is teacher's voice is the source. And yesterday, I have given some little concept of photosynthesis where I used radiant energy of the sunlight is trapped and converted into chemical energy, and it is stored in the form of potential energy. Radiant energy present in sunlight. I used one word. What is that word? Particles of sunlight are called photons. They consist of energy called quantum. So this is the energy which is called radiant energy. What is meant by radiant energy? Various definitions from the radiations. What are the radiations? Electromagnetic radiation. Then again you have to enter into physics. Out of the electromagnetic radiation, total a point at which visible light is falling on the surface of the earth for the plants to prepare photosynthesis. That visible, it is very less. Total radiant energy, a small fraction of visible and which can be spread in the form of VIBGR. You might have studied in schools. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. This is called, you might have studied this, photosynthetically active radiation. So in the sunlight, which is the main source of energy to everything on the surface of the earth, a small, and this part photosynthetically active radiation starts from 390 nanometers, 760 nanometers. Below this, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. Above this, so my dear students, the concept of teaching is, your class of biology generally photosynthesis, heading photosynthesis. The concept of photosynthesis, every child from their childhood they know plants in the presence of sunlight they will prepare food made. That is the main source of food to every other organism, and it is because of this some fixed chlorophyll total photosynthesis will be appeared there in the form of a single equation statement. But here while teaching, whether it is NCERT book or any form of book, generally teachers used to teach in the form of sequence. But the other side of the coin, which is called in the textbook, which is present, everybody will read. If they are not reading, then it is their mistake. And if teacher is not teaching whatever is there in the textbook, it is mistake of the teacher. If any teacher teaches more than the textbook, it means that is called concept oriented. Back of the textbook, after the textbook, surrounding the boundaries of the textbook lesson. Because competitive examinations are those which are created to ask questions how much talent a student is having, how much knowledge a student is having regarding photosynthesis, how he has been trained. Why? Because, my dear students, all these things are extra. The range, once they taught this, they will ask visible light, photosynthetically active radiation. Photosynthetical means this is called visible light. Other light also is there, which is invisible light. And out of the total light, this much is required for the photosynthesis process. Light travels in different wavelengths, shorter wavelengths, longer wavelengths. Each and every wavelength of light is particular for the formation of food material. And the rate of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis may be more or less or medium. So there are three optimal conditions: less, medium or more, depends upon the light falling on that photosynthetic part, that is leaf or stem, wherever photosynthesis occurs, or the cells or the tissues. Now question, class is over. What they will ask? Which is there in front of you only. But unless a teacher taught you in the nice, finest way, then only you will answer that question. For example, my question here is in front of you. Options. Or if they give multiple selection, they will give so many E, F, G. Again they will give questions, 4 options. A, B is correct, C, D is correct, only C is correct, only D is correct, only A is correct, like that. So first you have to listen this. Radiant energy means sun's energy in the form of radiations, which are called photons. They will ask question here, they will ask question here, they will ask question here, they will ask question here. And I am going to ask you question here, VIBG or visible light or white light. And my question is in front of, what is the range of power with which plants can prepare food? Here all options are looking correct, same, similar. Yes, it starts shorter wavelengths of light 390, longer wavelengths of 760, may be correct. It starts from VIPG, violet to red may be correct. Then they will give options like this. What are the options? So here putting one option by lottery is not the talent and knowledge of the student. A student has to be trained to understand all the 4 options. So this is the most important thing. It matters a lot. A student should be in a position either by the teacher's talent or by the student's grasping power or understanding ability. Now let us see out of these how to understand this, how to answer and which is correct answer. Visible light, white light. 390 to 490, 100. 490 to 590, 100. 590 to 690, 100. 690 to 760. 690 to 760. 60 plus 10. The range is surprising thing is student will not get this immediately, all of a sudden. How a student will be in a position to give answer accurately like this? When a student is trained with all the conditions of the colleges, teachers, sincerity and seniority of the teachers. Generally, most of the colleges, my dear students, this part of this type of teaching is called concept-oriented teaching, conceptuals. So, on every topic, on every chapter, on every page, on every lesson, we can create this type of concepts which is important for national level examination. Remember, once yesterday I have given a student once joining into a course like PUC, he or she has to select a good college. I have not mentioned what are good colleges. It is not my duty. You have to select. And before you are going to select a good college should have the facilities for the student to sit properly, to listen properly, to understand properly, having aeration in the classroom. The elevation, the movement, maximum students' power has to be elevated by teaching well and by asking questions. And it is not that a student who is having 60% marks or 70% marks, they cannot go for any NEET. Any student may be having 40 or 50 or 60 or 70, they can be able to compete with the 90% students. Why they got less marks? Because of so many factors. At the time of their examination, they may be ill. They might not have listened well. They have not practiced well. They have not trained well. They are not having time enough. Or they might not have understood the question properly because of some other impaired hearing abilities. So many 115 factors because of which students will be characterized, classified into low learners, medium, average, above average, good, very good, intelligent. But PUC, my dear student, is that standard with the abilities of the teacher, a sincere and senior, with a experienced. If he is able to adjust the mentality of the students, psychological movements of the students, and we have to teach that part in such a way, not a single or not 5 or 10 students top who secured 90 or above 90 can answer, but every student in the classroom, or every student who is listening now you are watching my class in your mobiles or in your computer based tools. Have you identified the answer for this question accurately? Or if I change the same question but options will be changed, because different teachers, different options. And which answer is correct? Whatever you thought is not the correct answer. Whichever paper setter or examiner or teacher select, and there should be suitable analysis, suitable explanation, evaluation. The solution is like this, because the range here is not the range of 390 to 760, but the range can be calculated. So the asking view of the test paper setter is like this. Out of the so many answers which are nearly correct, possibly correct, maybe correct, only one is accurately correct. So this process of analysis, when a student will get, every student who will join in good college, which has facility like ground to sit, enjoy, not like boxes, one above the other, one above the other, one above the other, closed circuits, closed walls. So this, the facility which is provided by the colleges, a student has to see that. Congenial atmosphere where he has to educate himself, provocate himself. He should not be distracted. He should not overthink. He should not just neglect. So these are the conditions which are provided by, to the best of my knowledge, in our college, best PU college, we are going to provide all these things. So, and we are doing the same. And here, yesterday I used one more word. What is that word? The traditional teaching up to 10th standard, where maybe school level, section level, school level, district level, state level, and the question pattern of question asking, creating, it depends upon CBSE, it is having its own criteria process, ICSE, it is having its own format of questions, state board syllabus is having its own. But here, as I mentioned, in olden days, more than 20 different national level examinations are there for the entry into medicine course, medical courses, either dental or medical MBBS. And sometimes it happens like this, on one day or a same day, single day, 3 or 4 exams will be there. Generally, the aspirants, the students who are having this education, generally the tendency of the parents, they will apply for all the examinations. They will pay fees throughout the country. How much? Unexpected amount. Huge amounts of fees towards the fees. Revenue of the government is. But finally at the time of examination, because of this, on particular single Sunday, one day, maybe 3 or 4 examinations of NET will be conducted. Both the people who applied for all these, they have to lose 3. Only one they can appear. Only one they can appear. In the same way, out of 20 or more, when they were applying for the examination, different questions, all are finally goes to admission into MBBS, medicine. And presently, that method of writing examination has been stopped. Very few examinations are there which are having autonomous, whereas remaining all the comes under one umbrella, that is NEET examination. If any student of PUC wants to join in NEET examination, wants to become doctor, she has to write NEET examination. What is NEET examination? What are the requirements? What is the question paper? How? 45 questions only will be there, and all these questions carries 4 options like this. So it means it is quite clear that if a student, any student who will prepare well, listen well, practice well, trained well in the way with all the conditions, it is very easy, no? Quite clear. Only you have to do, only out of the 4 options, you have to select the correct option. Total syllabus is first year PUC and second year PUC. So listen my dear students, think, if it is quite clear that only 45 questions from first year and second year, mostly 50%, 23, 22 or 22, 23, like that, it varies. Anyhow, 45 questions in botany subject, 45 questions in zoology subject, 45 questions in physics subject, 45 questions in chemistry. So mathematics is not there for, even though they have studied PCMB, but for joining into medicine, exclusively they have to answer these 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, which is called botany and zoology. So each and every subject, without any division of labor, having equal importance, based upon the teacher's standard, how he taught the students, how he trained the students, based upon the students, how they were studied, how they were practiced, how they listened, how they worked with the book, how much time they spent with the book. All these matters. And finally, when they are sitting in the examination hall, students should be free of fear, able to write answer. And within this 45 minutes, each question in 1 minute you have to answer. This is what we have to see, that how, unless you have studied well, unless you have subject knowledge, unless you have all the surroundings of the inside and outside, you cannot answer a particular question in 1 minute. And here in our college, what we are doing, especially these biology questions, mostly within 40 seconds our students are able to answer. To the best of my knowledge, you can inquire anywhere else. If a student has to answer a question in 1 minute, the same 1 minute question is answered within 40 seconds, it means less than 1 minute. So the subject whichever he feel happy with, or the subject which he feel that I'm good in biology, I'm good in physics, they will select as first answering part. They will finish 45 questions in 40 seconds. They can finish the next 45 questions. Like that, if any student feels that some next subject is difficult, chemistry difficult for me, so I will keep chemistry in the final, last, where I can complete what biology, botany, zoology and physics, then I will go to chemistry. Time saver. If some students feel physics is difficult for me, it is difficult to answer in 1 minute, so they will answer botany, zoology, chemistry first, and they will keep physics as the last subject for our evaluation. It means consuming the time, saving the time for the difficult subject in the last. So, my dear students, the technique of answering the question within a stipulated time, without any speculations, out of the 4 options, you have to answer the correct option. And to the best of my knowledge, here, these are compulsory. Why? Because I feel that it is my duty to make you alert, aware. 45 questions, 1 question is equal to 4 marks will be allotted. So, how many marks will be there for 45 questions? 45 questions, 1 mark, 1 question is equal to 4 marks. 45 into 1. So, botany 180 marks, zoology 180 marks, physics, chemistry 4 180s. So, the maximum marks, and to the best of my knowledge, my dear students, by the time when you go to write NEET examination, all those whoever is watching this class, remember, maximum marks allotted is 720. In this, you have to secure, you have to get, by the time when you are going to write the NEET examination, more than, at least minimum if you get 500. Until now, if you are getting 400 plus 50, 450, you are able to become a doctor. Before this year, last year, year before, 2 years back, 390 plus. So gradually, the enhancement in the marks, when there are very less students, no students are having fear of what is NEET. NEET means Bada Kasta, very difficult exam. When they have changed the syllabus, even in the 8th, 9th, 10th standard students of state syllabuses, ICSE, they are having that, they feel it is difficult for them. Maybe the reasons so many, I am not going to explain those reasons. After, when they feel 8th, 9th, 10th itself is difficult, without any doubt, PUC will be more difficult for them. And here, what difficulty is there? Just now I have explained. 45 questions only will be there. out of 2 years of syllabus. Out of 2 years of syllabus, only 45 questions are there, and within these 2 years, you have to get idea, your mental abilities, thinking abilities, to identify even the lesson, in which page this lesson was cited, in which page a particular unit starts, at which page. If you are able to remember, my dear students, it is not difficult, and I'm saying that it is not very easy. You have to do some work, some mental work, some physical work. Means we are not asking you to jump like high jump or long jump or 100-meter sprint or 400-meter sprint, hammer throw, or any sport which will take 1 day, or any cricket like 1 day or 5 days test match, T20, various duration is there. For various indoor games, duration is there. But here, the duration of this sport, not it is sport, it is a fight, it is a battle, 2 years period. There is no sport or there is no other challenging exam which will occur for about 2 years. Within shortest period, 100-meter sprint, 400, 1000 meters or 5000, you can go. Marathon, long run, where physical work is there, without practice you cannot do. And people who fail to have physical body, personality, physique and muscular strength, they cannot do. And without, if I ask any student, go and from here to go to Moti Center and come within 5 minutes, can anybody go? For that they have to practice a physical work. For that so many other factors are required. But here, my dear students, achieving this target to become a medical student by competing with the national level students throughout the country, approximately 14 to 16 lakhs people will appear. And if you become one among them to secure the seat, what physical work is here? Only you have to sit. Simple. Only you have to sit with the book, only you have to sit to listen the class, only you have to sit to write, to identify the answers. Here there is no physical work. What physical work is here? Sitting. So sitting for about 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour in the college or school or in the classroom or in front of the video, it is not so easy unless your body will activate. You have to activate yourself mentally, physically. Whenever you are activated, the energy hidden in your body cells will come out. So yesterday I have given one more class. So my dear students, minimum if you get 450 plus, if you are having any category, you will get seat even in the medical college of Ballari. And by the time when you reach, it may 450 plus or 500. And it is very easy. Our students secured up to 571 last year. 540s, 530s. And here the concentration of the student is to get this 720, 500 marks, what to do? 500 marks, for example. Most of the students, they get more, 600, even 600 plus. To get this 500, what to do? Mind adjustment, timetable, timer, what timetable, whichever subject you feel good, well, you are able to understand well. You can do well, you can read well. Those subjects try. Generally, to the best of those students who wants to join PCMB, definitely they were having addiction with biology, without any doubt. If you are interested in having more energetic in biology, decide if you get biology, which is called botany and zoology. If you get 150 marks, minimum. So how much you required? 500 minus 300, only 200 marks you require. 200 is nothing but physics, chemistry. If you get 100, simple. It's a simple logical analytical analysis for the understanding, for the student understanding, to the student's mind, to the student desk or parents to the best of my knowledge. So it means to get 100 marks, how many questions you have to answer? One question is equal to 4 marks. If you answer 25 questions, 25 into 4. So when question comes in your mind, this enters into your mind. Why can't I answer 25 questions? Why not? So simple now, my dear students. 25 questions in. If you get 25 questions, 100, 200. If you feel these are difficult, if you feel they are easy, you will get more. If you get here also 150, 600 marks, not over 500. Listen carefully, those who are watching me. If you are not aware of this, if you are not having this knowledge, you cannot build up that energy in your body. Yes, why not I can do this automatically, freely, happily. Go, select a good college and join there who will teach well and good. Where you are having all the sophisticated methods of teaching, all the surroundings which make you, the environmental condition has to make the student without any distraction of mind, watching others. So, the center of the concept is selection of the college, selection of the teachers, selection of the subject, understanding the subject. If you are having a goal, if you build up a goal here to medicine, or if you build up a goal for IIT JEE, I should be good in mathematics. In IIT or JEE, you are not having biology. Those who are having full acquaintance with mathematics, they have to practice mathematics, physics, chemistry. So how much easy or easier when we consider each and everything separately. And very easy. It's so nice to understand. After all, for a well-educated student, well-equipped student with all the things in hands, materials or books or notes or everything, the presentation of the teacher is well and good. If he can teach to the best of his knowledge, your knowledge, to the desk of the student, always making the student, yes, I have to read, others are reading, why I am not? If we are able to generate that, wherever, whichever teacher, whichever college, wherever it is, wherever state or wherever village or district, happily inquire about that. Join and keep it in your mind. First thing, you should develop some tendency towards the subject to learn, some attention in the body, some changes, alterations you have to make, timings, timer, coming to the college, coming to the school or coming to class, listening to the class. If it is late, what happens? No, the negligence you have to avoid. You are going to invest 2 years of period for total 60 or 70 or 80 years of life, my dear students. I am telling you, you have to invest only 2 years of your life time, that is PUC first year and PUC second year. So after PUC first year, second year, Raman sir is not going to ask you to read. You can go, you can join in any medical college, happily you can read, happily you will become good and great doctors. The possibility of becoming a medical student is in your hands. Again, you might have forgot my yesterday's class. This is for information I have given to you. And this is not so difficult and not very easy. Within 1 minute you have to answer accurately. If you miss any question, you are going to lose 1 mark. One question wrong, 1 mark lost. So +5 -1. +5. What is meant by +5? When you answer a question accurately, it is called 4 marks will be awarded to you. If you miss that question, you are losing 1 mark. It means, in strict sense, if your mental condition is good, if you lose 1 question, how many marks you are going to lose? If you miss one question, if you lost one question, how many marks you are going to lose? 5 marks. Because if you answer, you will get 4 marks. If you are not answering, 1 mark. It means 4 plus 1. So this is called concept oriented. This is called concept oriented. Student has to get involved, thinking in various dimensions. This question could become like this, or it could come like, it could come. What is the answer for this particular question? First option nearly correct. Second option may be correct. Third option also same. All the 4 options are looking similar, then which is correct? That mindset will be developed in a student mind when they were clear with all the disturbances, when they listen well, when they studied well, when they practiced well. So yesterday's class, I remember, radiant energy converted into chemical energy, and chemical energy is stored in the beginning. And what is the use of storage of this energy? It is of no use. Stored in the form of food, is it not? So food consists of energy. Then what happens? When we are going to show respiration with the presence of oxygen, in the presence of the food material is broken down again to liberate carbon dioxide, to liberate water, which we have taken here. During respiration, taking oxygen and liberating the carbon dioxide, and the energy of the food released in the form of kinetic energy. So let us see, it is related to our course. What is that? Radiant energy of the textbook. Radiant energy, the total energy present in the textbook, it has to be converted in the form of teacher and student, and that energy will be transferred in the form of chemical energy in the student body. Student's body is having energy. How to liberate that energy? Examination. When you are going to write the examination, when you are going to answer a particular question properly, correctly, you are getting 4 marks. The energy is released in the form of kinetic energy. So the energy process, according to thermodynamics, transduction of energy. Transduction of energy. Transduction. Trans means change from one form to another form. Change of energy from one form to another form, neither be created nor lost. As long as you are doing work, the energy is going to decrease. Until and unless there is no energy, you cannot do any work. So here, the concept or conceptual teaching of biology is required to strengthen the student, to believe, to create a belief in the student, hope in the student, a type of mental state of the student. Yes, I can do easily any nation level examination. To the best of my knowledge, our students who studied in this college for 3 consecutive years, they won JIPMER ranks. Only thing is, we have not given any, what we call advertise, or we are not going to call the things to pass these things from generation to generation. Our people only knows. So if you are having any understanding ability to understand the subject, you have to master the subject, my dear students. So this is comes under one more question I have to ask from yesterday's class and today's class tomorrow. Then I will start. What are the conditions to learn the subject of botany?